Hello, students. Today we're talking about TELPAS writing, and how to use words from the question in your answer. Why use words from the question? 1. It makes writing easier. 2. You write more English. 3. You get a higher score on the TELPAS. And 4. Your teachers tell you to do it. We will look at some examples from your language. The question in English is, do you like to eat rice? Why? Do you like to eat rice, and why? We will use words from the question in our answer. Here is an example in Spanish. Remember, the question is, do you like to eat rice, and why? The words like to eat rice are orange. Like to eat rice in Spanish is also orange. You will see that like to eat rice is in the question and in the answer. Do you like to eat rice? Why? Yes, I like to eat rice because it is delicious. Like to eat rice is in the question and in the answer. This example is in Swahili. Again, the question is, do you like to eat rice? Why? You will see the words, orange words in Swahili in the question and in the answer are the same. Like to eat rice are the same in the question and answer. Okay, students, I tried Dari in Google Translate. I think this says, do you like to eat rice? Why? The orange words are eat rice. You will see both the question and answer have the same words in orange, eat rice. This last example is in Vietnamese. Again, the question is, do you like to eat rice? Why? You see in the question and answer, the words in orange are like to eat rice. Same in Vietnamese. The question and answer both have the words like to eat rice. So when you copy words from the question, they must be certain words. They must be specific to the question or prompt, and they should be only the important words. So you must copy the important words that are specific to the question or prompt. This will be our example prompt. The prompt says, think about your first day of school. How did you feel? Did you like your teachers? Did you want to go back the next day? You will use words from all parts of the question, all parts of the prompt to write your answer. And I'm going to show you how to do it. First, I will tell you which words not to copy. Do not copy the words think about. Think about is a statement. It wants you to think before you write. So this says, think about your first day of school. You will not copy the words think about. The question wants you to think about your first day of school. Next, do not copy the first few words of the question or the first word of the question. If you see a question mark, do not copy the first word or the first few words. These words help ask the question, so do not copy them. Students, this will really help you. The answer to you is I, and the answer to your is my. Let me give you an example. Did you eat lunch? Yes, I ate lunch. Did you go to school today? Yes, I went to school today. Is that your backpack? Yes, it is my backpack. Is that your sister? Yes, it is my sister. The answer to you is I. The answer to your is my. So if we remember that you is I and your is my, let's look at these statements and questions. It says, think about your first day of school. You will write my first day of school. The next question, how did you feel? You will write, I felt. Next question, did you like your teachers? I liked my teachers is what you will write. The last question, did you want to go back the next day? You will write, I wanted or did not want to go back the next day. When you see the words you or your, you will write I or my. The answer to you is I. The answer to your is my. Another thing that will really help you, when you see the word why in a question, you will write because and give your reason. When you see the word why, you will write because and give your reason. They always want to know your reason if you see the word why. We are almost ready to write together. I want you to look at this statement and these questions and see the different colors. Each color represents words that you will put in your answer. Where the dark orange words say why or why not, that is where you will write because. So the first statement says, think about your first day of school. Let's use that to write our answer. Think about your first day of school. We are going to think about our first day of school at INA. We are going to write the words that are green. Your first day of school. Remember, your is my. So we will write my first day of school, then give an answer. Was good and bad. My first day of school, those are the words from the question. My answer is was good and bad. The next question in our prompt says, how did you feel? You feel is pink. Those words are pink because we will use them in our answer. Remember, you is I. So we will write, I felt, then our answer, excited and scared. The question is, how did you feel? The answer is, I felt excited and scared. The next question is, did you like your teachers? Remember, you is I. So I will write, I liked my teachers. After the question, did you like your teachers? It says, why? Remember, the answer to why is because, and then your reason. So we wrote, I liked my teachers. Then we write, because they were very nice. The answer to why is because and your reason. I liked my teachers because they were very nice. The last question says, did you want to go back the next day? Why or why not? So we'll answer the first part of the question. Did you want to go back the next day? Remember, you is I. So we will write, I wanted to go back the next day. The very last part of the question says, why or why not? Why or why not? We will write because and then our reason. So we write, because I wanted to learn more English and meet friends. Remember, the answer to why is because. Here is another prompt. Let's read it together. Think about your favorite animal. What is your favorite animal and why? What does it look like? Would you like to have one as a pet? Why or why not? Before you answer this question, I'm going to give you some help. The words you will copy are in blue. The orange words, why and why or why not, remember you will write because and then your reason. And in your answer, you is I and yours is my. So here's the prompt again. Now I will pause the video and give you a chance to write about the prompt using words from the question and answering the questions why or why not with because. So for question 1, what is your favorite animal and why? You would answer, my favorite animal is, then your animal, because, and tell me why. So Miss Desmond's answer could be, my favorite animal is a dog because they are very friendly. That would be my answer for question 1. The second question is, what does it look like? You will answer, it looks like. My answer, my favorite animal is a golden retriever, a dog. And I could answer, it looks like a big, shaggy animal with gold fur, dark eyes, and floppy ears. Number 3, would you like to have one as a pet? Why or why not? You will write, I would or would not like to have one because. So Miss Desmond's answer could be, I would like to have one because I think my family would love having a dog. One more prompt, and you will do this one on your own. The question or the prompt says, think about your good friend. Who is your good friend, and when did you meet them? What do you like to do with them? Why? So many things to remember, students. Use words from the question. Remember, you is I, yours is my in your answer. And when you see why, you will write because and give your reason. Okay, you can do it. I can't wait to see your answers.